All right, now we're on to our second lesson, vehicle safety. So I'm learning to identify and evaluate safety features of cars. So we're going to talk about what in the car makes you safe, what a safety system is, which things are a safety system in our cars, and how they actually do keep us safe. So here we have an example. We're talking about safety systems, but I want to talk about systems first. So system is a word we use in science to refer to all the connected parts that work together. And a system can be all kinds of things. Here we have the system that drives your bike. You do the pedals, and it moves the chain through all these gears, and it moves the wheel at the end of it. That's a system because all those parts together make up how the wheel turns from you pedaling, right? And a safety system is a bunch of connected parts that will make the object or activity less risky. So the brake system on your bike, where you squeeze a little handle, and then that goes through a wire all the way down to the brakes on the bike, and those brakes go to the wheel and they add friction to slow the bike down. That's a system as well. Okay, so which parts of your car are a safety system? Okay, there's all kinds of systems on cars, right? All these things, there's more than one part that work together to do something or cause something. That's a system. There's hundreds of systems on cars. There's the engine, the drivetrain, the brakes, the electrical, so you can connect Bluetooth to your car radio, etc. So how do we identify which of these are to make things safer for you? We need to think about, does this intentionally, like on purpose, it makes the car less risky to operate? Okay, and we can think of this in how it keeps you safe across two different ways. One is preventative. It can prevent or stop an accident from happening at all. Okay, so some examples are the turn signals, right, where you signal that you're going to be changing lanes or making a turn so other cars hopefully don't hit you. If your car is one of the fancy new ones, it has computer braking where it notices you're getting too close to the car in front of you and it hits the brakes for you. That prevents you from hitting a car, right? If you have one of those fancy newer cars where on the side mirror there's a little light that flashes if there's a car in your blind spot. So if you go into that lane, you'll probably hit them, or they'll hit their brakes really hard and hit somebody else potentially. That's another preventative measure. Another one is protective. Okay, and those are ones that try to keep you from getting too hurt when the accident actually happens. Obvious examples are airbags and seatbelts. Okay, and that's it for our lesson 2. See you next time.